let's say you want to get the sum of these values using the sum function. You hit the equal sign, type in sum, then the sum function adds all the numbers in a range of cells. So you double click on the sum function, then you select the range of values that you want to add, and then close the parenthesis, then you hit enter. So this is how to use the sum function. A different way is type in sum, select the sum function, then manually type in the cell references like cell B3, comma, cell B4, comma, cell B5, comma, cell B6, then close the parenthesis, then you hit enter. This one also is the sum of this range of values. And when you highlight this range of values, you can check down here and see that it gets you the sum. It actually tells you the sum of the values you've highlighted, 155, just like you've used the sum function and you've actually found that the sum is 155. To show the formula text, you hit the equal sign, type in formula text, then you double click on that, then select the range, close the parenthesis. It shows you the formula text that this is the sum function. You can copy this down, you can copy this here, paste. Just shows you this is the formula that you've used to find the sum of those